How to program the V2 MR2 plug-in receiver to the EasyTop garage door controller. So as you can see, we've pre-wired the EasyTop garage door controller to a UK 3-pin plug. It's actually powered off at the moment. We've got our MR2 4-channel plug-in receiver over here. There's a little button there on top of that as well for programming, and also our instruction manual. So first thing we're going to do is open up the instruction manual to the page that actually shows the EasyTop control panel with all the wiring and the connections. As you can see there with the MR2, it depicts the MR2 being inserted into the PCB in this position. So what we're going to do now, again with the power off, make sure the power is off. If we don't make sure the power is off and we put this in and we don't put it in completely straight, there's always a chance that we could actually short the ribbon terminals within that connection port. So power's off. We get the MR2, takes a little bit of a push to get it on. There we go, nice and positive, that's in. Okay, now I'm going to power up the EasyTop controller. Power comes on, PR 1.4, that's the firmware version. For anybody who's familiar with the V2 equipment, they'll recognise the LCD display there. That shows the state of the inputs. So looking at that, just out of interest, it shows that the first input is, because the line is down, is an open input, a closed input line up, an open input line down, and then 3 closed inputs. If we look at our control panel now and the links that come pre-fitted to the EasyTop kit, you can see there that L2 and L3 are actually linked through, L2 and L3. That's shown by that line being up. So that's a closed, a linked through stop command so the door can run. And if we look at L4, nothing in there, so that's why it's an open contact. And then the 3 safeties. So we've got photo cell, safety edge, and fire input as closed contacts, and they're all linked through as well, through to L8, which is common. Okay, so back to programming the MR2, programming the Fox transmitters to the MR2. So once we've got that in, once we've got the MR2 in and it powered back up, we can get our Fox transmitters, press the button on top of the MR2. The light will come on and start flashing once and steadily. To program a transmitter, I simply hold down the button. The light will go solid on the MR2. It means it's taking the program of the transmitter. I can do that time and time again, up to 1008 transmitters if I wanted to. And that's as simple as it is. So I'm just going to wait for that to time out. Okay, so the light stopped flashing on top of the MR2. So now we can test the transmitters we've programmed. So button 1, tell 1, that means channel 1 of the receiver, the signal's been received. The arrows in the top right hand corner denoting that the motor is actually running up. I'll press it again, tell 1. The arrow's in the middle, which means it's stopped or in pause. Tell 1 again. The arrow's in the bottom right hand corner when the motor should be running down. Obviously, if for any reason the motor was running down when the arrow's in the top right hand corner or running up when the arrow's in the bottom right hand corner, you simply need to reverse the open and close cables of your motor. And that's it. Thank you.